Lesson 10, Volcanoes. Must know. Plate tectonics and plate movements. The difference between intrusive and extrusive features. Where each feature is found. Topic: Volcanoes. What is it? Where is it? / where is it found? A volcano is a landform that builds up as a result of many eruptions. An opening in the Earth's crust through which molten rock, gases and rock fragments can erupt. Volcanoes occur at the plate boundaries of the Earth, in long, narrow belts around the entire Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire, along the length of the Atlantic Ocean. What does it look like? In 3 other locations in southern Europe, Eastern Asia and center of the Pacific Ocean. The molten material is called magma while it is still below the Earth's surface. Lava as soon as the molten rock reaches the surface. Intrusive volcanic features. When magma solidifies in spaces it intruded underneath the surface, e.g. batholiths, laccoliths, lopoliths, pipes, dikes, sills. Extrusive volcanic features. When magma rises through pipes to the Earth's surface where it solidifies, e.g. cinder cones, shield volcanoes, composite volcanoes. Vent area where pipe opens onto the surface. Crater, deep hollow / circular depression caused by volcanic activity where some vents lie. Materials ejected by volcanoes. Solid material ash, rock pieces, lava bombs. Fluid material, fluid lava, mud flows. Gases, steam, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. 3 groups of volcanoes. Active volcanoes still erupt. Dormant volcanoes shows no sign of activity, but can erupt again. Extinct volcanoes do not expected to erupt ever again. What does it look like? WEM. Why is it there? Volcanoes develop when 2 plates move away from one another and magma rises to fill the space, forming volcanoes on the Earth's surface. The oceanic crust moves towards continental crust. Oceanic crust is forced downwards to form deep-sea trenches. Continental crust moves upwards to form volcanic islands arcs. Activity, volcanoes. What is a volcano? Distinguish between magma and lava. Magma. Lava. Where do we find volcanoes? Explain the difference between intrusive and extrusive volcanic features. Also give examples of each. Intrusive volcanic features. Extrusive volcanic features. Label the diagram. Match the term in column A with the description in column B. Only write the appropriate number. Column A, column B. Lava. Crater. Magma. Volcanic vent. Volcanic pipe. Column A, column B. Lava 1, area where pipe opens on the surface. Crater 2, molten material above the Earth's surface. Magma 3, cracks through which magma rises to the Earth's surface. Volcanic vent 4, molten material below the surface of the Earth. Volcanic pipe 5, a circular depression in the ground caused by volcanic activity.